Hoy estamos cambiando las cabezas en un vehículo, una 2001 o de 99 a 2002, o el 6.0 con la transmisión de Allison. Entonces vamos a cambiar las cabezas hoy, vamos a cambiar diferentes sensores, vamos a cambiar muchas partes ya para que, como la troca está viejita, es tiempo de cambiar unas partes. Y vamos a grabar ahorita cuando empezamos a quitar las cabezas. Van a faltar todavía los tornillos, creo que así se llaman los tornillos. Ya luego después empezamos a grabar otra vez. Estos los vamos a cambiar también. Y sí, ahorita regresamos. Alright, so we just removed the covers for the heads. Look at all the good stuff down here. There's oil. Valió queso. Yummy.
Remember head bolts. Even though, we got new head bolts. So. Should be alright.
That's funny. Hey, what do you think your dad's gonna do with these heads?
Sepa.
Awesome.
Came off.
Dang.
Good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, so we took off all this junk. We got shorty headers. They took off all this. We're gonna show you what it looks like inside. So that's it right now. Just for tonight, we just wanted to pull it out, see what we're looking at. But other than that, I think we'll be, by the time we come back, it should all be ready. Hopefully. We just gotta remove the headers. There's a couple three bolts on each side, and we couldn't get them off right now, so we put WD-40 and what's the other stuff called? Huh? The other stuff. So we'll be back next time. Peace. All right, guys. So we couldn't fix the truck because we might have stripped some of the head bolts. Not the head bolts. Header bolts. So we're just gonna be working on my truck, and then Dylan's gonna try straight shaft weed eater. So yeah, see y'all later.